Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve the problem named restore finishing order, which is a difficulty level of easy. It is asked today on weekly contest 465. So problem statement goes as follows. You are given an integer array order of length n and an integer array friends. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, representing the IDs of the participants of the race in their finishing order. Friends contains the IDs of your friends in the race sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. Return an array containing your friend IDs in their finishing orders. So what they are mentioning is we will be given with two arrays named order and friends respectively. So we are supposed to sort the array friends by considering the index of the order. So for every element present in friends, it will also be presented in the array called order. We are supposed to sort the array friends based on the uh, indexing of the order. Let me show you. So we are given with two array order and friends. So we need to pick one element from the friends and we need to sort it according to order. So let me show you how it works. First we will pick the first number from the friends. We will actually it's a first number, so we need to consider it as a first position. So our first position is 1. Now we need to pick 3. Actually 3 appeared before 1 in the order table, so 3 will come first than 1. And next we need to pick 4. 4 came last, so it will be at last only. Why? Because in order table it came after 3 1. So final answer will be 3 1 and 4. As you can see, 3 1 and 4. Let me implement the Python solution for this. So we need to iterate over the array friends for I in len of friends minus 1. So y minus 1 means we need also iterate array 2 times, and for I in range of I plus 1 comma len of friends. So if we won't iterate until minus 1, here we will get uh, index out of bounds error because we are iterating from I plus 1 in the inner for loop. So we will apply normal sorting here. Like in case of normal sorting, we can sort it normally, but we are supposed to sort that array based on the indexing present inside the elements called order. So how we can do is, if order dot basically in Python list we have a method called index which will fetch the index of a particular element. It takes an argument uh, value, any value, and fetch the index if it is present inside that array. So we will send the friends of j as a parameter inside that index. Sorry, dot index of friends of I. So after that iteration, we will check the index from the order table using this condition. If the index is greater, we are supposed to swap. We can use one line swapper present in Python, like for friends of j comma friends of I equal to for friends of I comma friends of j. So this line will be used to swap the array elements. Let's print uncheck. something has happened here. Sorry, here we need to keep less than operator, not greater than. So what we are doing is, we will check from the I plus 1 if there is any smaller element present in from I plus 1, then we are supposed to swap that element. As you can see here, we are getting 314, and in the second case we are getting 5 comma 2 as an output. Let me submit this solution and check. As you can see here, it is passing the all test cases. I will also implement another solution using Python. So what we can do is, answer, let the answer be the final answer for us. There is a function available uh, in Python named sorted. So it will takes a parameter which is an array. We will send friends as a parameter array, and there is another argument which it will take as key. So key is an optional argument, equal to lambda I colon. So this is basically syntax of lambda functions. Functions are nothing but an anonymous functions. It won't have any function names. It will have only implementation. I colon order dot index of I. So what we are doing is, we are implementing a lambda function. Lambda space I is nothing but a parameter. So after colon, it will indicate what we are supposed to do, nothing but what the function will return. So this is nothing but the syntax of lambda function. Lambda function taking parameter as I, and it will return the index uh, of I order. It will fetching the index from the order array. Let's see, return answer. This is returning 5 comma 2, and this is returning 3 1. As you can see, this is also passing all the test cases. Thank you.